upside down cake. Yeah, doesn't that sound funny? A cake upside down? But you know we can't do it without the tools for the job. First we have a medium-sized bowl. And then we have a large spoon. Favorite plot, the vanilla! And here are the ingredients. Classic yellow cake. Pineapples and cherries. First we have 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And last but not least, eggs. Of course, I have to wash my hands. So let's get to the sink. And of course, my scrubble double double song. You guys should know how I go by now. I made up a new scrubble double song. Make sure you get your front, your back, and your fingernails like I have to scrub. How in the world did I forget to put my apron on? I can't mess up this pretty church dress. I'm going to let my mom pour it in because I don't want to mess this one up. Alright, she's all done. I already preset the oven for 350. Make sure you let your mom or your dad do it so you won't burn yourself. I'm going to put it in today because my mom is watching. There we got it. Grab this. My favorite part, in the bowl. Doesn't that look so good? Now it's upside down, but when it cools off, we're going to flip it back over on the hat. Okay, now it's time to flip it. Wow! There we go. A pineapple upside down cake. Time to cut it.
a piece of cake. I just want to eat a piece of cake.
I'm gonna taste my taste. Yummy. Look at that. Hi, Mommy. Today I have a new guest. It's Mommy. Come in the camera. She still has the church clothes on, but she's gonna try some cake. Try it. Here you go, Mommy.
I love these. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Good job, boo.
I'm gonna eat the inside. Just to... Look how much cake! Look how much cake is gone in just 3 minutes! These boys is 3 team. 3 team. And 2 simple. It's bedtime for me, 'cause I gotta go to school in the morning. Peace. Hey everybody! Thank you so much for watching my show. Do me a favor and like and subscribe. Have a good day.